Hi everybody, this is Tara from Pocket Productions, and this is my new sunflower kit. You can see we have pockets and tags and note cards and of course the folio base. Plus we have 3 background papers that you can print on the back side of everything. And to go ahead and get started, we're going to just start with cutting everything out, and we're going to start with the front here of the sunflowers. Alright, when you have everything cut out, you can go over the sides with some stamp ink, or you can just use a marker and go around it if you prefer, or you can just leave them as they are. Alright, here's everything that we have cut out, and you can see there's lots of little bits and pieces of things. We've got some special parts that we're going to need to do some more folding or gluing with, but for the most part everything's pretty explanatory. We'll set all the notes aside. Those are the pockets. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take the folio base itself and just score it along the 2 score lines and fold it up. Just going to go ahead and score on these ones as well, right on the marks. These are making little, like little seed packets. Alright, they're all done. And this tag, you can either cut it and have 2 tags, but I made it so that it would also fold to be a tag that you could write on the inside of as well. Alright, so with all the tags, I'm going to go ahead and put a little hanger on them, as you can see, and I included also the sunflowers. Okay, so these 2 pieces are for making a covered clip, and I'm just using a jumbo clip here and a piece of the scrap paper that I cut out, and I'm just go ahead and gluing those on. And I'm clipping them down really well, and I'm just setting it aside to dry. I'm going to go ahead and glue the little seed pockets together, and on these I just fold the flap in and then just put a little bit of glue on the bottom, and also make sure that they're well clipped so that they can dry nice and flat. Alright, so we're going to put the pockets in next. And for this folio, we're going to have a pocket that's on the inside front flap, and then we have 3 to go along the bottom of the inside of the folio. And the wagon goes in the middle, and well, you'll see they fit into each space. Now you can go ahead and just do it on the bottom. You can do it all the way around. I'm going to do kind of an L shape on mine, and you'll see here. Oh, this is the middle one. I decided just to do it so it's like a little flap. And there's the L shape for the one side and an L shape for the other side. This way they're kind of like little tuck pockets. Alright, this one I made a full pocket glued all the way around. And now we're just going to go ahead and put on something heavy and let it sit to dry. Alright, everything's dried up now. I took off all of the little clips, and I'm just clipping off that extra bit of paper from the clip. And there you can see how nicely that works. And here's our little seed pockets. And this is the folio. And now it's time we're just going to go ahead and populate it with all the tags, and we'll be back in a moment. Alright, here's the finished piece. I went ahead and put a little bit of twine as a closure. Here's the back part. And we'll go ahead and open it up so you can see how it looks with everything inside of it. So here's the little side pocket, and I went ahead and put a note card in each one of the tags and the seed pockets. And as you can see, we've just got all the tags in there, and little bits of ephemera, note cards. The clip holds the stuff onto the top very nicely. You can put it however you want. And here's a full view of the back side. So I hope you enjoy the sunflower folio, and if you'd like to get one and don't have one, there's a link in the description to my Ko-Fi shop. You can also get it on my Etsy shop, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye!